is your WMT Pro channel. Today we will going to show you how to deposit money on ATM machine in Sri Lanka. Let's watch. First you need to follow some instruction for this action. First you should bring non-damaged money. This kind of money not acceptable. This money acceptable, please check one time. Welcome to the video. First you need to touch the screen. After you need to choose language. Next one you need to choose cash deposit to account. You can deposit per day maximum 200,000 only. You must accept that one. After you need to type the account number. After that you can choose confirm. When it's finished you will got the name on the display. That name match to your account, choose yes. After that machine open the deposit place for you. You can put money inside there and choose continue. It will take some time. After you got your deposit amount details, that's okay, choose confirm. This is the final action. You got account number and account holder name, everything on the display, that's correct, choose yes. Finally you finished your transaction. You can take your deposit receipt.